Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is October 23rd, Thursday. So, what's going on from forexfactory.com news wise? You can see here we do have existing home sales at 10 a.m. At 10:25, we've got FOMC member Barr speaking. At 10:30, we have natural gas storage, and that is it. So, we continue this super low news week because U.S. government data may be impacted by the shutdown. Tentative events are subject to delay, revision, or cancellation. So, our primary source of information about the economy is not reporting stuff. And so, we've got virtually no news this week. So, it makes life, maybe a little easier because we don't have quite so much craziness going on in scheduled news. That being said, it feels also like, there's something major missing, and there is. It's called information. What is the economy doing? What is it not doing? So moving on. Not a whole lot to say other than existing home sales will shine a light on what is going on in the housing industry. Of course, the housing industry is a huge deal. It filters down to a lot of local economies, but it's also on a national basis as well. So it impacts big companies that are national based companies like appliance providers. Lumber may not be sourced locally, but all the labor to build a house is sourced locally. So it does have a huge impact both on the national level and on a local level. Looking forward to the charts, we had a down day yesterday on increasing volume. A little bit concerning. We were unable to stay below the 20-day moving average, which was a sign of strength. However, we are gapping down just below the 20-day moving average. It certainly looks like the market wants to retest yesterday's low, 66.87. Top side, if it can get above those two little highs right there, 67.89, we'll probably go back up and retest all-time highs. We'll just have to wait and see. We're still in a bull market. We're above all the moving averages except the 20-day. We're still in a upward sloping trend line, still bullish. Although it is starting to look like at least we're going sideways, if not topping out. We'll have to just wait and see how that all pans out. Looking at the inventories, yesterday we had a down day and we had down inventory. Those are correlated exactly what the market should do, so nothing to worry about there. Not excessive. Nothing was excessive. Minus 14,000. That was a pretty good down day. Expected. Overnight action, approximately 35 points. This is well above average, almost twice average. Average is about 20 to 22, showing us the volatility is in overnight action and probably will be also today. What do we have for support resistance on the short term? We've got some confluence resistance at 67.57, 67.70. A little more confluence around 67.81. If we get going above that, 6,800 is kind of the whole number. On the downside, where do we have support? We've got support at 67.03, which is above the whole number, 6,700. We get below 6,700, I can see some acceleration. The overnight low from yesterday, our day before yesterday, 66.90, 66.80, 66.70, 66.50 are all going to be good support numbers. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 71.4. 71.4 is the percentage that, or the probability that the market will be up today. 71.4% chance the market will be up today based on the Stock Traders Almanac, which goes back like 150 years and tracks these percentages. So there you have it. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.